Aldrin experienced space sickness during the Apollo 11 mission to the Moon, which was the first time that a human being suffered from this condition in space. Space sickness is a form of motion sickness that occurs when the inner ear and the eyes send conflicting signals to the brain about the body's orientation and movement in a weightless environment. Space sickness can cause symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, dizziness, headache, fatigue, and loss of appetite. Shockingly, Aldrin's space sickness was not widely reported or discussed at the time, as NASA wanted to focus on the positive aspects of the mission and avoid any negative publicity. However, Buzz Aldrin later revealed his space sickness in his autobiography. He also talked about his space sickness in interviews and documentaries. He said that he wanted to share his story to help other astronauts and future space travelers prepare for and prevent space sickness. He also said that he wanted to show that he was human and vulnerable, just like anyone else. Buzz Aldrin developed space sickness on the third day of the mission while he was performing a series of maneuvers and experiments inside the command module Columbia. He was testing a sextant, a device that measures the angle between two celestial objects, to determine the spacecraft's position and velocity. He also conducted a zero-gravity experiment with a floating pen and a piece of paper. He noticed that he felt unwell and disoriented after moving his head rapidly or changing his position. He reported his condition to Mission Control and to his crewmates, Neil Armstrong and Michael Collins. Buzz Aldrin tried to cope with his space sickness by taking medication, resting, and avoiding sudden movements. He also drank water and ate crackers to settle his stomach. He did not vomit, but he felt nauseous and uncomfortable for about 2 days. He was worried that his space sickness would affect his performance and jeopardize the mission. He was also concerned about how the public would react to his condition, as he did not want to tarnish his image as an astronaut and a hero. Fortunately,